Hi students, good morning to everyone. Now I will solve a question from page number 33, that is second chapter. Page number 33. Chapter 2, multiply and divide. Question number 10. Yes. Multiply and divide. Multiplied and divide, that is page number 33, question number 10. There are 21 children in class 1. Class 1, 21. Now class 2, 24. Now class 3, 32. Class 4, 30. And class 5, 18. Of Annavaram Primary School. There are 21 children in class 1, 24 children in class 2, 32 children in class 3, 30 children in class 4, and 18 in class 5 of Annavaram Primary School. The daily cost of midday meal for each child. Yes. Each child, the cost of midday meal for one child is rupees 4. Rupees 4. What is the daily cost of midday meal for the school? For the school means what is the total strength of all classes? Total strength in a school means total strength of all classes. That is 21, 24, 32, 30 and 18. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 1, 15, 1. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 plus 1, 12. As total children are 125. The cost of one child is 4 rupees. What is the total cost of all school, all children? Means one children is equal to 4 rupees. What is the cost of 125 children? 125 children is equal to 125 into 4. As 4 5s are 20, 2 4 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 1 4 plus 1 4 4, 4 plus 1 5. 500 rupees. Midday meals for one day. Old school is 500. And they are asking what is the monthly cost of midday meal for the school? This is one day cost. One day cost is equal to 500. Here asking what is the total cost of midday meal per month. Month means we have 28 days in February, in leap year 29 days. In general month 30 days or 31. This is a February month, this is a general month. In February month 28 days, in leap year 29 days. In general month 30 days or 31 days, but we have to calculate for 30 days. Yes. Total cost of midday meals for 1 month. 1 month means 30 days. 500 into 30. Here 102030. 102030. The digits are 3 and 5. 3 5s are 15. Yes. Total cost of midday meal for month is 15,000 rupees. First, we find the total strength of the whole school. A given cost of one child is 4 rupees. Total cost for whole school means 125 into 4, we get 500. Yes, the one day cost is 500. Whole month is 500 into 30. 30 days per month. 30 days are there. Every month 30 days are sometimes 31. In February, 28 days. In leap year, 29 days. Yes. One day, total cost of one day midday meals is 500. Total cost of whole month means 30 days. 500 into 30, we get 15,000. This is the solution. I read the answer. Question number 10, page number 33, chapter name is multiply and divide. Total number of children from class 1 to 5. Total number of children from class 1 to 5. In class 1, 21 members. In class 2, 24 members. In class 3, 32 members. Class 4, 30 members. And class 5, 18. Total strength is 125 children. How many children are there in whole school? 125 members. Cost of midday meal for each child. Cost of midday meal for each child is 4 rupees. One child 4 rupees. Two children 2 into 4. Three children 3 into 4. Five children 5 into 4. Here number of children 125 means cost of midday meal for 125 children. One child 1 into 4. Two children 2 into 4. Five children 5 into 4. 10 children 10 into 4. Here total children 125 means 125 into 4. 125 into 4. 125 into 4. 4 5s are 20. The first number 0. Right here 2 is going up. Carry on. 4 2 is 8. 8 plus 2. 10. In 10, one first digit 0 here, 1 is going up, carry on. 4 1 is 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Right, 5 here. Yes. Total how much? 500 rupees. Yes. This is one day, cost of one day. Means cost of one day. Meal. Meal for 125 children. Yes. Monthly cost of midday meal. Cost of monthly cost of midday meal. Monthly cost of midday meal. Yes. Cost of one day meal is 500. Monthly cost Monthly cost in month, general month 30 days or 31 days are there. Use 30 days. 30. Okay. In 500, 2 zeros are there. In 30, 1 zero. Total 3. 2 plus 1, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Now your digits are 5, 3. 5, 3 is 15. Okay. Monthly cost of midday meal for 125 children. Okay. This is the question number 10, page number 33. Chapter name is multiply and divide. Okay, sir. Now our running chapter is smart table. Already we solved one problem, that is rule number food. It is over. Already we made smart table also. Now we are solving question number 3, that is sunny weather, cloudy weather, page number 36. Yes, friends, our running chapter smart tables. Smart tables, page number 36. Sunny weather, cloudy weather. Sunny weather and cloudy weather. Shankar was noting down the weather on each day of August 2012 in the calendar by drawing pictures for sunny, cloudy and rainy weather like this. Shankar was noting down the weather on each day of August 2012 in the calendar by drawing pictures for sunny, cloudy and rainy weather like this. Yes. Sunny, cloudy, rainy. Here given calendar of August month, that is 2012. August 2012. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, finally Sunday. Yes. See the day starting with Wednesday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. As your figures also there. Yes. First day, sunny. Second day, cloudy. Third day, sunny. Fourth day, cloudy. Fifth day, rainy. Sixth day, also rainy. Seventh day, sunny. Eighth day, rainy. Ninth day, cloudy. 10th day, rainy. 11th, sunny. 12th, cloudy. 13th, rainy. 14th, rainy. 15th, cloudy. 16th, sunny. 17th, cloudy. 18th, rainy. 19th, rainy. 20, cloudy. 21, rainy. 22, rainy. 23, cloudy. 24, sunny. 25, sunny. 26, cloudy. 27, rainy. 28, rainy. 29, sunny. 30, rainy. 31, rainy. Yes, this is the August month 2012 day wise. Some days are sunny, some days are cloudy, some days are rainy. Now we have to make smart chart. Questions. Now I make smart chart, that is answer. Now this is question. Sunny weather, cloudy weather, sunny symbol is there, cloudy is there, rain is there. August month 2012, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, days from 1 to 31. Now smart table. Now this is answer. Yes, first one is weather condition. weather condition. Tally marks. Tally marks. Number of days. Number of days. See, weather condition. First one is sunny. Next one is cloudy. Third one is rainy. Means umbrella. Yes. Tally marks. First day, sunny. Second day, cloudy. Third, sunny. Fourth, cloud. Fifth, rain. Now, sixth, rainy. Seventh, sunny. Eighth, rainy. Ninth, cloudy. Tenth one, tenth day, rainy. 11th one, sunny. 12th one, cloudy. 13th one, rainy. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth one, cut it. 14th one, rainy. 15th one, cloudy. 1, 2, 3, 4 over fifth one. 16th one, sunny. 1, 2, 3, 4 over the fifth one. 17th, cloudy. 18th, rainy. 19th also rainy. 20th, cloudy. 21st, rainy. 22nd also rainy. There are already 4 over, fifth one write it. 23rd, cloudy. 24th, sunny. 26th, 25th, sunny. 26th, cloudy. 27th, rainy. 28th, also rainy. 29th, sunny. 30, rainy. 31st also rainy. Yes. Here, this is the 5, 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4, 9. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Yes. Number of sunny days, 8. Number of cloudy days, 9. Number of rainy days, 14. 14 plus 9, 23. 23 plus 8, 31. Yes. Number of days are 31. This is called smart table. Okay, students, these are depending on tally marks. You touch this properly and draw tally mark one by one. That is sunny, cloudy, rainy. Now here some questions are there. These questions are depending on our this smart table. Yes, now I have this one. These questions are page number 37. Page number 37. Questions are A1. Yes, see, 10 days of the month are sunny. Yes, these questions are depending on true or false. Now listen, which of the conclusions are true based on the information in the above table? Write true or false. A. 10 days of the month are sunny. Yes, sunny, very sunny year. This is sunny. How many days? Here 8 days. In the question, 10 days are given. Correct. First one is true or false. 10 days of month are sunny. Here how many days? 8 days. But here mentioned 10 days. First one is false. Now B1. 9 days of or 9 days of month are cloudy. 9 days of month are cloudy. Cloudy 9 days. Yes. In the question also given 9 days of the month are cloudy. True. B1 true. Now C1. Most days of the month are sunny. Sunny here answer is 8 only. But in the question mentioned most days of the month are sunny. But here most days of month are rainy. But here in the statement given sunny means false. Now D1. Most day of month are either cloudy or rainy. Most days of the month are either cloudy or rainy. You check it. Where is the cloudy? Cloudy means how many days cloudy? 8 days. Rainy 14 days. Either means one is compulsory correct answer. Most days of the month are either cloudy or rainy. Cloudy answer is 8. Sunny is 8, cloudy is 14. From 8 is 14, 14 is a bigger one. And in this table, all answer, the cloudy is a 9 days, rainy is a 14 days. As comparing cloudy or rain, 9 or 14. Yes, 9 bigger than sunny, 14 also bigger than sunny. Yes, D1 answer is true. Yes, our answer is correct. Here, most days of the month are either cloudy. Cloudy 9, rainy 14. 9 and 14, these are bigger than the sunny. Okay, our answer is correct. True. These are smart tables. Now, dear students, one question is waiting for you homework. That is the 37. Do this one 37. 37 page number 137 page. Pulse polio immunization campaign is there in 39. Sale of motorcycle also is there. Do this two under homework, that is do in your running notes. Other again I will explain in our next class. Okay children, goodbye to everyone.